Our world is changing, cities are growing bigger, more people are moving into urban areas. This means we need more resources like food, water and energy. But these resources are becoming scarce. We need new ways to live sustainably in our cities. Traditional farming takes up a lot of space, water is often wasted, and transporting food over long distances harms the environment. We need solutions that are efficient, local and eco-friendly. Thankfully, innovative ideas are emerging. Vertical gardening and clean energy offer a promising path forward. These approaches can transform our cities into sustainable and thriving ecosystems. Let's explore how. Imagine a garden that grows upwards instead of outwards. This is the concept of vertical gardening. It is a way to grow plants on walls, rooftops, or even in specially designed structures. Vertical gardens offer many benefits. Firstly, they save space. This is crucial in crowded cities where land is limited. Imagine transforming empty walls into lush green spaces. Secondly, vertical gardens use less water than traditional gardens. Water is recycled and reused, minimizing waste. This is essential as water becomes an increasingly precious resource. Thirdly, vertical gardens support local food production. People can grow fresh fruits, vegetables and herbs right in their neighborhoods. This reduces reliance on long-distance food transportation, which often involves harmful emissions. Finally, vertical gardens promote sustainability. They help to clean the air, reduce noise pollution, and create habitats for beneficial insects and birds. These gardens bring nature back into our urban landscapes, enhancing our well-being and the health of our planet. Cities are huge consumers of energy. We need to power our homes, businesses, and transportation systems. Relying on fossil fuels is no longer sustainable. It pollutes the air, contributes to climate change, and depletes our natural resources. We need cleaner and more sustainable energy sources. Clean energy, such as solar, wind, and hydropower, offers a viable alternative. These sources are renewable, meaning they won't run out. Harnessing the power of the sun, wind, and water allows us to generate electricity without harming the planet. Investing in clean energy brings numerous benefits. It reduces air pollution, improves public health, and creates new job opportunities in the green energy sector. By transitioning to clean energy, we can create healthier and more livable cities. Section 4. A perfect pairing: how vertical gardens and clean energy work together. Vertical gardens and clean energy may seem like separate solutions, but they complement each other beautifully, creating a powerful synergy for sustainable urban living. Clean energy can power the systems needed for vertical gardens, such as water pumps and lighting. Solar panels on rooftops can generate electricity for irrigation systems, reducing reliance on the grid. This integration of technologies minimizes the environmental impact of vertical gardens. Moreover, vertical gardens enhance the efficiency of clean energy systems. The plants provide shade, reducing the heat absorbed by buildings. This lowers the need for air conditioning, which in turn reduces energy consumption. The combination of vertical gardens and clean energy creates a closed-loop system. It minimizes waste, reduces reliance on fossil fuels, and promotes a healthier urban environment. Section 5. Sustainability in action: real-world examples of vertical gardens and clean energy. Around the world, cities are embracing the synergy of vertical gardens and clean energy. These real-world examples showcase the transformative potential of these innovations. In Singapore, the Gardens by the Bay is a stunning example of vertical gardening. This futuristic park features towering super trees that are covered in plants. These structures collect rainwater, generate solar power, and act as vertical gardens. In Germany, the city of Freiburg is a pioneer in sustainable urban planning. Freiburg has integrated solar panels into many buildings, including homes, schools, and businesses. The city also boasts numerous green roofs and vertical gardens, showcasing a holistic approach to sustainability. These examples demonstrate that sustainable urban living is not a futuristic dream. It is a reality that is being implemented today, transforming cities into greener and more livable spaces. Section 6. A greener tomorrow: embracing a sustainable urban future. The future of our cities depends on our ability to innovate and adapt. Vertical gardening and clean energy offer a glimpse of what is possible when we embrace sustainable solutions. Imagine cities where buildings are adorned with lush vertical gardens, purifying the air and providing fresh food. Imagine rooftops covered in solar panels, harnessing the power of the sun to power our homes and businesses. This vision is within reach if we embrace these innovations, support sustainable policies, and work together to create a greener and more equitable future for all. Let's cultivate a future where cities are not just concrete jungles, but thriving ecosystems that nurture both people and the planet.